In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from monday.com in Jira. If you're moving work over from monday.com into Jira, or you just want all your existing Monday boards to live in the same place as your Jira projects, this walkthrough will guide you through the process, step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click, what to look out for, and share a few tips along the way, so the import goes as smoothly as possible. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and that you're in the right site and project area where you want your data to live. From your main Jira interface, look over to the left-hand side where your navigation menu is. You'll see a section that lists your spaces or projects. Right beside that, there's a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is Jira's way of letting you add or bring in new work, including data from other tools. After you click the plus sign, a menu or panel will open. Scroll down through the options until you see one labeled Import Data. Don't rush this part. There can be several options and it may be near the bottom depending on your screen size. Once you find Import Data, click on it. This takes you to Jira's import area where it lists supported tools you can import from. On the import screen, you'll see different platforms available. Look for monday.com in that list. It might appear alongside other tools like Trello or Asana, but you want the option specifically labeled monday.com. Click on monday.com to start the dedicated import flow for that platform. Selecting this ensures Jira uses the right connector and mapping options tailored to Monday's structure. From here, Jira will guide you through on-screen prompts. These prompts typically include connecting your monday.com account, choosing which boards you want to bring into Jira, and deciding how fields like titles, descriptions, statuses, and assignees should map to Jira's own fields. Take your time with each screen. Read the descriptions carefully, and double-check that the right Monday board is selected before you continue. If you're unsure about a particular mapping or option, a good tip is to start with a smaller test board first. Import that, review how it looks in Jira, and then repeat the process for your main boards once you're happy with the setup. Once you've completed all the prompts and confirmed your choices, Jira will run the import and pull your monday.com data into your project, ready for you and your team to work with.